Today, we will be replacing the element on the model TST-SL-TB. The element is located in the top of the unit. Remove the top of the unit and place it on a flat surface. Here is a list of tools that you will need to complete the replacement. Before operating any maintenance on any of our machines, make sure to remove the plug from the power source. Once the machine is disconnected from the power source, it is time to remove the stainless steel top paneling. To do so, remove the 6 screws located on the back and the sides of the unit. After removing these screws, gently lift the top from the unit like so. First, locate the element here. It is secured with 3 5/16 bolts on the top and 5 bolts on the side of the unit. For these, use a 5/16 inch socket to make it easier to remove them. Next, disconnect the wires shown here. Then, slide out the element's metal mounting plate. Using an 11/16 box wrench, remove the 2 nuts and washers here. This will allow you to remove the mounting plate from the element itself. With the new element in hand, reinstall the 2 11/16 inch nuts and washers, then carefully reinsert the element back into the unit. From here, it is a matter of reconnecting the wires as shown and replacing the 5/16 nuts on the side of the mounting plate and the 3 to the top. Finally, replace the top paneling of the unit, reinstall the 6 screws, and test the unit for normal operation.